Plans and decisions. Basic patterns. I'll keep thinking about it. We may just have to share my car for a while. We need to start a college fund for Tyler. Do you know what you're doing after graduation? I haven't made up my mind yet. I'll let you know what I decide. I have to make a difficult choice. Decide quickly. I hadn't anticipated that. What do you plan to do about this mess? The disaster was a result of poor planning. I plan to take the next train out of here. I intend to buy a new house. I had only the best intentions. Everything is going according to plan. Dialogue 1. What are you reading, honey?
It's something sent by the University of Ohio, Dad.
I thought you were thinking about going to Florida State University.
I was, but this looks interesting.
Why is that?
It's hard to say. I think I just like the feel of Ohio better.
Is that all? No other difference?
Well, I think Ohio has a better biology department than Florida.
Is that what you want to study?
I think so, but I may change my mind after 4 years.
Just make sure you decide on something you enjoy. That's the most important thing.
That's also the most difficult thing. I'll keep thinking about it.
Dialogue 2.
Today was just awful.
Why? What happened?
I was 2 hours late for work. That stupid car broke down again.
Again? We just had it serviced last month.
I think we need to give up and admit that the car has died.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Do you think we can afford another?
We may just have to share my car for a while.
Yes, but that's awfully inconvenient.
I agree, but what can we do?
My friend's father owns a car dealership. Maybe he can help us.
Maybe, but we can't afford too much right now. Dialogue 3. Do you know what we need to do?
What?
We need to start a college fund for Tyler.
But he's not yet 4 years old. He won't be in college for another 14 years.
Yes, but it's never too early to start saving.
Do you really think so?
I just read an article about how expensive college is already. It's only going to get more expensive.
I have heard that some families start very early saving for college.
I think we should as well. If you want, I'll call an accountant tomorrow.
Okay, give him a call and see what he says.
Dialogue 4. Hey, Sean, do you know what you're doing after graduation?
No idea. What about you?
Actually, I've been considering a job in China.
Really? Doing what?
Teaching English.
Are you going to take the job?
I'll probably take it. It's a big change.
I don't know anything about the place.
I think I'll like it. How bad could it be?
It's probably a good opportunity. And you won't have a better time later in life.
That's probably true. I think it could be interesting.
Anyway, it sounds better than my plans. Good luck.
Dialogue 5. I'm thinking about quitting my job.
Well, this is a sudden decision.
Actually, I've been sort of thinking about it for a little while.
You could have told me earlier.
I'm telling you now. Anyway, I haven't made up my mind yet.
Why do you want to quit?
I'm just not happy there. I don't think I have much of a future with my company.
What do you think you want to do?
I don't know. I haven't really thought about it.
Well, you probably should think about it before you do anything too drastic.
Substitution drills. 1. I thought you were thinking about going to Florida State University. I thought you were planning to go to Florida State University. I thought you were wanting to go to Florida State University. I thought you were intending to go to Florida State University. 2. Just make sure you decide on something you enjoy. Just make sure you choose something you enjoy. Just make sure you pick something you enjoy. Just make sure you select something you enjoy. 3. I think I just like the feel of Ohio better. I think I just like the impression of Ohio better. I think I just like the idea of Ohio better. I think I just like the atmosphere of Ohio better. 4. That stupid car broke down again. That stupid car fell apart again. That stupid car stopped working again. That stupid car died again. 5. We just had it serviced last month. We just had it repaired last month. We just had it fixed last month. We just had it maintained last month. 6. Yes, but that's awfully inconvenient. Yes, but that's awfully difficult. Yes, but that's awfully impractical. Yes, but that's awfully awkward. 7. We need to start a college fund for Tyler. We need to start a college savings for Tyler. We need to start a college account for Tyler. We need to start a college plan for Tyler. 8. But he's not yet 4 years old. But he's not even 4 years old. But he's not quite 4 years old. But he's almost 4 years old. 9. I just read an article about how expensive college is already. I just read a report about how expensive college is already. I just read a book about how expensive college is already. I just read a piece about how expensive college is already. 10. Hey, Sean, do you know what you're doing after graduation? Hey, Sean, do you know what you're doing after finishing school? Hey, Sean, do you know what you're doing after college? Hey, Sean, do you know what you're doing after school is over? 11. Actually, I've been considering a job in China. Actually, I've been looking into a job in China. Actually, I've been thinking about a job in China. Actually, I've been planning on a job in China. 12. I don't know anything about the place. I don't know anything about the nation. I don't know anything about the country. I don't know anything about the area. 13. I'm thinking about quitting my job. I'm thinking about leaving my job. I'm thinking about terminating my job. I'm thinking about ending my job. 14. Well, this is a sudden decision. Well, this is a sudden plan. Well, this is a sudden choice. Well, this is a sudden move. 15. Well, you probably should think about it before you do anything too drastic. Well, you probably should think about it before you do anything too sudden. Well, you probably should think about it before you do anything too rash. Well, you probably should think about it before you do anything too hasty. Monologue. One of the biggest challenges for many American parents is paying for their child's college education. Over the past 2 decades, college costs have risen greatly. Only the wealthier families can afford to pay for college directly from their income. Most other families have to pay indirectly. Many students have some of their education, and a few have all, paid for by scholarships, money they receive and do not need to pay back. This can come from many sources. More commonly, students and their families have to take out a variety of loans, which can take years to pay back. The problem is that the best schools are not affordable for poor students unless they receive a scholarship for some exceptional ability. This can be a problem later in life for getting the best jobs.